told realities. Thus, Namibia's post-colonial oppression path has not been easy. We have learned important lessons, for instance, that many conversations around reparative justice must be fixed with political maturity, ideological consciousness, and broad participatory consensus. In our case, the Namibian Parliament is the constitutionally ordained collective voice of the people, and direct public consultations with the affected communities and the traditional leadership, consistent with the slogan, "Nothing about us without us," are ongoing. Any lapse on the part of government is not intentional and therefore regretted. We must be fearless in our pursuit of truth, but also reasonable and pragmatic in our expectations. The integrity of the process is paramount, and that means listening to the voices of the people. Reparations are not a matter of political experience. It must not divide us as a nation, because the process and proceeds belongs to the people.